Morning. Start to recite about the basic conversion at home in Arabic. Start.
You cook now.
Itbakilan.
Cut the onion.
Kat al basal.
Cut the tomato.
Kat al atamatim.
The breakfast is ready.
Al-Futuro.
Al-Futuro
Jan.
Jais.
The lunch is ready.
Al-Gada Jais. Al-Gada Jais.
The dinner is ready.
Al-Shana Jais.
Al-Asha'u.
Al-Asha'u Jais. You cook now.
Itbakilan.
Cut the onion.
Cut il basal.
Cut the tomatoes.
Cut il tamati.
The breakfast is ready.
Al-tuforo jahiz.
Al-Futuro.
Al-futuro jahiz.
The lunch is ready.
Gada.
Al-gadao jahiz.
The dinner is ready.
Al-ashao jahiz.
Thank you. Mabruk, palakpakan natin.